This video, we're going to learn how to boost a Facebook post to get more engagement. So you launch the Facebook app, ensure you've logged into your account. Then you're going to select the post you want to boost. But first, we need to make it to our profile on Facebook. So you could either click on your logo here at the top left corner. This is going to take you to your profile home, or you could go back, you visit the menu section at the top right corner. Then you click on your logo here. So this is great. So I'm just going to click on my logo here and it's going to take me to my profile. Okay, so next thing to do is to select a post. In today's video, we're going to boost. Okay, so I'm going to select one of the posts I want to boost. Okay, so let's boost this one. So I'm going to click on boost post. So before you start setting up your ads on the mobile phone, or before you start boosting your posts, especially for those in Nigeria or those who want to follow the professional standard, what you need to do firstly is to scroll to the bottom. Then you select the ad account you want to use. If you contacted Grite to set up a prepaid ad account for you, it's very important you come here, you click on the ad account at this box. So you click on it, so you're going to select the new prepaid ad account we've opened for you. Okay, so do not expect to see as many ad accounts as this. This is ours. You know, we're an agency, so we do a lot of job for our clients. Okay, so you're going to select the ad account you want to use, or the prepaid ad account you want to use. Okay. Make sure you don't select the ad account that bears your name. Take note, we always advise you, do not use the ad account that bears your name or that has its name as your name on Facebook, or the name matches the name on your Facebook profile. So you're only going to use the prepaid ad account we've created for you, or any business prepaid ad account you prepare. But make sure you only use the business prepaid ad account and not a personal ad account that bears your name. All right, so we're going to select a business prepaid ad account to continue. So let's say we're going to switch into this one. So I'm just showing you how to switch to a new prepaid ad account. Okay, so you could see that. But for this video, we're going to use the GST ad account. So let's use this one. Okay, so you could confirm that. You could see that it's been switched successfully. So this is how to switch. So let's scroll back to the top and continue the ad setup. This is the ad preview. You could see. So this is the post insight so far. 94 reach, 3 engagement, and 1 link click. So setting a goal is the first stage in an ad when trying to boost it on your mobile phone. So you click on see more to see all the options. So it's on automatic. Yeah, so automatic has automatically selected the WhatsApp button there. So you could see get more messages. That is if you want to select the goal yourself. So these are other options, or get more website purchases, get more engagement, get more leads, get more website visitors, get more calls, get more join group requests. If you have a group or a community you're going on Facebook. So for this post, we're going to go for get more engagement. So we're going to click on get more engagement. All right, the get more engagement is focused on to show your ad to people who are more likely to react, comment, and share. All right, so this is Advantage Plus Creative. Okay, you could leave that off. Then you could gonna choose next is button. You're gonna select if you want to add the WhatsApp button or not. For this, okay, so you could decide to add the WhatsApp button so that you could get customers who message you on WhatsApp in case they're excited. So you could see that the WhatsApp button is on. You could also decide to remove the button. So let's say, for example, we want to remove the button for this. I would simply click on no button. Okay, so no button. But most of us would want to fix the button. Okay, so I'm going to allow the WhatsApp button. Okay, so I've turned on the WhatsApp button for this. So you click on save and then you go back. So special ad category, this doesn't concern us. So like it says, ad about credit, employment, housing, or social issues. So this is not what this ad is all about. Next is our targeting. So you could see that this audience is based on your page details and will automatically adjust over time to reach more people who have interest related to your business. So you could see Facebook system automatically found out that people who are interested in my business are people who talk about social media, or they're interested in social media advertising, social media marketing, digital marketing, online advertisement, advertising agency, news broadcasting, entertainment, or local news. Okay, so for this video we're going to leave it this way because this actually falls in line with what we do. The name of this audience setup where the system automatically does the targeting for us is called Advantage Audience. So take note of this. So you can see the placement. Choose where your ad will appear. More platform help improve results. So I'm going to let it appear on Facebook and Instagram. The option for Messenger is not available for this ad objective. Okay, and you could also decide to remove Instagram if you want, so by just clicking on it, or you could bring it up back. Okay, yeah, you could also decide to select only Instagram if you want, but let's leave the two. All right, so the next part is to select our budget. So we're just going to work with a small budget for this video. This is just a sample. Okay, so let's just keep it at a day. Okay, so we're just going to use the minimum budget. Okay, so this is the number of engagements we're going to get for this amount and for this duration. So it says 77 to 199 engagements. And the total persons we're going to reach is within the range of 1,200 persons to 3,600 persons. All right. So we've already selected our preferred ad account from the beginning. So this is a summary of the total amount we're going to spend for this ad. So after this, you click on the Boost Post now. So you can see that it's creating the ad. So our ad is in review. Okay, so it looks beautiful, right? Okay, so you could also add more fonts here if you want to add. So that's all. So we could go back. So see you in the next video. We're going to cover a lot here, so make sure you like and subscribe. Bye for now.